3 coils wireless charger Chitesh Iron Stand Qi wireless charging pad with 2 amps power adapter and micro USB cable for Samsung Galaxy Note 5.S6.S6 Edge.S6 Edge Plus and other Qi-enabled phones. Tablets. Universal wireless charging pad works with all Qi-enabled devices, such as Samsung Note 5. Galaxy S6. S6 Edge.S6 Edge Plus, Nexus 7 2nd Gen. Nexus 4. Nexus 5. Nexus 6 Motorola Droid Max X. Droid Mini Nokia Lumia 920. 1020.928. This iron wireless charger also works with device equipped with another Qi-compatible receiver, like LG G4/iPhone 6/6 Plus/5s/5, Samsung Galaxy Note 4.3.S5.4.3 receivers not included. Holder standing design. You can enjoy watching video or playing games while charging your device without wire, make you feel more comfortable and safe compared with humanization design. 3 coils built-in, much wider charging area. You can place your phone with a free position. No need for perfect alignment. Ensure to charging your phone fast, make your life easier and more convenient. What do you get from our Cho Iron Standing Wireless Charging Pad? 5 volts 2 amps power adapter, USB charging cable, user manual, an 18-month worry-free warranty.